Troubleshooting paper feed issues for HP Envy 6000, Envy Pro 6400, DeskJet Plus Ink Advantage 6000, and 6400 series. If your printer's edge lighting glows amber and the paper tray light blinks on the right, it means your printer isn't picking up the paper. Here's how to fix it. Paper feed issues might result from using ripped, dusty, curled, wrinkled, or bent paper. Use only good quality, new, clean paper that meets printer specifications. First, slide out the input tray and remove the paper from the tray. Remove any bent, wrinkled, or torn pages from the stack of paper. Check for obstructions in the input tray. Even a small thing like a tiny piece of paper could cause problems. Hold your stack of paper with both hands and tap the bottom edge onto a flat surface to make sure the stack is even on all sides. Now, load your neat stack of plain white paper into the input tray. Carefully slide the paper width guides snugly against your paper without bending it. Then, close the tray. Press the resume button on the control panel to continue the print job. If the printer doesn't continue the print job, try cleaning the paper feed rollers. Dust, paper fibers, and other small bits of debris can cause paper jams and errors. For this step, you will need a clean, lint-free cloth and distilled water. With the printer turned on, disconnect the power cord from the printer and unplug the cord from the power source. Lift the ink cartridge access door using the recessed areas on the side until the lid locks into place. Remove the paper path cover by pinching the tabs together and lifting it out of the printer. Dampen a clean, lint-free cloth with the distilled water and squeeze to remove excess water. Press the cloth against the rollers and gently rotate the rollers upward with your fingers to remove dust and dirt, then leave them to dry for 10 minutes. Then, replace the paper path cover. And close the ink cartridge access door. Now clean the rollers under the printer. Secure the printer and scanner lid by placing your hand on top of the printer before turning it on its side. Open the input tray to expose the paper roller underneath. Using the same method with the damp, clean cloth, rotate the roller to clean it, then allow it to dry. Close the input tray and carefully turn the printer upright again. Plug the power cord back into the printer, and the printer will automatically power on. If the issue persists, service the printer. Contact HP for service and warranty options.